Hey, what's up guys, welcome back to the TheFonoGuy. So the Samsung display teases tri-folding screen and rollable device. Samsung may have indirectly teased two eventual device on Samsung display block. The company has released two sketches of new devices that cloudy plausibly arrive as a real Samsung device in the upcoming years. So as you can see, this is some sketches of the upcoming foldable or folding device of the Samsung. In the first illustration, a device with a tri-folding display reimagines that the Galaxy for this new design would eliminate that the fold need for an external display, as it could fold down to a third of its unfold footprint and only use the top section of the screen. The small logo at the bottom of the sketch read Samsung OLED. The next drawing, as you can see, imagine a rollable display that stew away into the size of the tube. So the concept of a rollable display that can stew away into a small footprint can be very attractive, but the only apparent limitation seems to be that such delicate display might only be possible to use on a desktop surface. The attraction here is a portability more than the mobility of such a product. Although Samsung is not explicitly announcing that it will release devices like these, imagine its creation a painting that the idea Samsung display capable of making panels for such as device. One of the device might be a reality sooner than later. A patient for the former tri-folding device was imagined by Let's Go Digital in the form of few mock-up render. These tri-folding device would feature a slide out keyboard and could be used a different position. We are expecting to see how far manufacturers will push devices from factor as we continue to enter a new age of hardware innovation. Do you see yourself ever using a device like one of these? Let me know in the comment section. Also like this video and subscribe my channel for more tech videos. I'll see you in my next video. Peace out and bye.